Start by opening the Rufus application on your computer. First, go to the device drop-down menu and select your USB flash drive. Make sure you select the correct drive, as all existing data on it will be erased. Next, under boot selection, choose disk or ISO image. Then click the select button. Locate your Windows 10 ISO file in your folders. Select it and click open. Rufus will automatically configure most settings based on the ISO, but you will need to change the partition scheme. Click the drop down and select MBR. This will automatically change the target system to BIOS or UEFI CSM. Ensure the image option remains on standard Windows installation. If you receive a prompt asking for a DBX update, you can simply click yes. Under format options, you can rename your USB drive by changing the volume label. For this example, let's name it W10_Pro. Once everything is set, click the start button. You will receive a warning that all data on the USB drive will be destroyed. Click OK, and if your drive has multiple partitions, you may get an additional warning. Just click OK again. Rufus will now format the drive and copy the Windows installation files. This process will take several minutes. When the progress bar is fully green and the status says ready, the process is complete. You can click close and exit Rufus. Your bootable Windows 10 USB drive is now ready to use.